Welcome back to Behind the Build. Today is one of those days when you realize that your project is way bigger than your car. So we are here at Home Depot to rent a truck. Seriously, who knew how easy it was to rent a truck from Home Depot? I needed the truck to get these 8x4 pieces of insulation board home. My vision is to create a faux storefront for my party favors. I use two kinds of foam board, one for the structure and then one for the details. The one I used for the details did not work out so well. The foam board I used for the details was that kind of foam that if you break it, it's going to have a million pieces of foam go everywhere. So yeah, that was a little bit of a pain to deal with. I think the wine just gave me some false confidence because I thought it was looking good until I started adding the black paint. That foam was just not easy to paint on and it did not look polished or clean. As I'm looking back on this, I can even see the mistakes from here. Nope, that thin foam board was not gonna work. Always stick to the purple one that has the Pink Panther on it, the brand. That is the way to go. Next, I found this contact paper that I already had, and I've had it for years, so it was kind of wrinkly, and I tried to get the wrinkles out with a credit card, but it was not working. So the next day I came in and I ripped it all off. I went back and added more white paint to cover up what got torn off. And then this time I decided I was going to use wooden dowels for the trim, and this would give a much cleaner look. Instead of doing intricate details, I decided to just go with more of a panel look. Honestly, it was so much easier and so much faster. And at this point, I just wanted to get it done. It was around my second glass of wine and watching the Aristocats, which I love that movie. This is my favorite part.
Will I have sparkling sapphire eyes that dazzle too?
I relate to Marie so much. She is my favorite. She is just so sassy. It's great. But anyways, back to my great idea. It hit me that the Chanel No. 5 logo would be perfect to add to the front of the storefront, but instead make it Galentines No. 5 because it just so happens that this is my 5th year hosting Galentines. It seriously was too perfect not to do. I did have leftover wooden dowels from the Eiffel Tower I made, so it was so easy just to turn those into the molding for the storefront. I even put some into the shelf after I painted it black because it gave it more of a put together look. At this point, I was loving how it was turning out. The only finishing touch I needed to add was an awning, which I finished the next day. I didn't get any footage of that. But here is the final look of what it looked like right before the party started. I put the favors in the shelf and it was too perfect. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned. The next video will be my Galentine's reveal.